let us begin and learn about the orbit of artificial satellite. As you all know, children, moon is the natural satellite which moves around the earth. So from that only we got the idea of having the satellite which revolves around the earth, right? But all the artificial satellites what we have do not revolve in a similar orbit around the earth. It depends upon the function of the satellite, and accordingly the heights are of the satellite orbit from the earth's surface is decided, and the nature of the orbit, whether should be circular or it should be elliptical, that is all decided depending upon the function, and whether the orbit should be parallel to the equator or it should make some angle with it, that also is decided. Okay, so to put the satellite to a proper orbit in a specific height above the Earth's surface, the satellite is taken to that height using the satellite launcher. What are the satellite launcher you are knowing? GSLV and PSLV, right? These are the satellite launchers which you are knowing. And then the satellite is given a specific velocity which is called as the critical velocity, which is denoted by the letter VC. Here you can see just VC written on the screen, which is called as the critical velocity in a tangential direction. Okay, the satellite then starts revolving around the earth, and the formula of VC can be derived. We will be deriving it, children. Some the sort of this you are knowing the formula. What was that? The formula mv square upon r. ये formula किसका था? Do you remember? Just try to recall from first chapter. What was it? Anybody able to recall? No, this was the centripetal force. First of all, centripetal force was there, right? Centripetal force को इसके किया था, and then it came to the escape velocity was square root of 2 gm upon r, children. It was not this. This was about the force, centripetal force. जिसे हम लोग you can just refer. I think it is given on your page number 5 or something. So it is a centripetal force. जो भी सर्कुलर स्पेरिटिकल ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसके सेंटर में से जो फोर्स अट्रैक्ट करता है दैट इज सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. So this formula of that force is given by mv square upon r. Okay. Now critical velocity से प्रोजेक्ट करने का है तो मैंने क्या कर दिया यहाँ पे जस्ट नोटेशन लिख दिया है mv critical का स्क्वायर. So this is what is the force. Now children, the attraction between any two objects can be given by the formula. If you remember, gmm upon r square. Do you remember that formula? Distance wala. In the beginning of the first chapter we did. I think it must be on page number 4 or something. I'll show you that also. See, this is what I'm talking about. You had the formula F is equal to G m1 m2 upon d square or r square, the distance between the two objects G and then two objects. Now here children, two objects, one is earth and one is that satellite. तो एक के लिए मैंने कैपिटल M लिया है, दूसरे के लिए मैंने स्मॉल m लिया है. ओके, तो C G M M और डिस्टेंस कितना है? यू कैन सी हियर, दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस डिस्टेंस. ओके, यहाँ से लेके ये सैटेलाइट सपोज यहाँ तक है. ओके, सो दिस डिस्टेंस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो दिस इज अर्थ का रेडियस है, सपोज कैपिटल आर है, अर्थ का रेडियस कैपिटल आर है और फिर उतनी हाइट पे है. सो इट विल बी आर प्लस एच, वेर कैपिटल आर स्टैंड्स फॉर द रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. तो डी का स्क्वायर बोला है ना, सो आर प्लस एच is the distance और उसका square, so r plus h the whole square. Is this part clear? So both the formulas of first term, first chapter we had used. This is the centripetal force mv square upon r plus h, and here gmm upon r plus h the whole square. Now, if they both becomes equal, that is the centripetal force which is provided by the gravity of the earth will become the gravitational force between the earth and the satellite. So at that time these two will become equal. Is it clear why I am equating it? When this will both will become equal, so what will happen children? यहाँ से एक r plus h गया और स्क्वायर में से एक गया, यहाँ पे दो था ना स्क्वायर, मतलब तो एक कैंसिल हुआ तो एक बचेगा नीचे, ऊपर से स्मॉल m कैंसिल हो गया. सो व्हाट यू आर लेफ्ट विथ वी सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू जी एम अपॉन आर प्लस एच, right? Is it clear? Small m got cancelled and one r plus h get cancelled. So we got gm upon r plus s. Now what is g, m, and that let us define. So g is the gravitational constant and you know the value 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. M, capital M stands for the mass of the earth which is 6 into 10 raised to 24. R stands for the radius of earth which is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meters. And h is the height of the satellite about the earth's surface. And what is the r plus h? R plus s is the radius of orbit of satellite. So it is radius of orbit of satellite. Okay. So r plus is that. So that is the radius. So high orbit satellite. To understand it, remember that at what happens is at 35,780. We'll see that the period of revolution is same as the period of revolution of earth, that is both are 24. So because of it what happens is the space same part is all the times same coming, so it becomes geo stationary satellite type of thing. So वहां से वही है. So देखो whatever news we are getting in India, the same news is not audible in America. Okay, there are certain secret news which the government wants to tell to only to the people of India, not to others. We don't want to share our things, and why and others also. Why should they should also know about their own country, na? Huh? So the geosynchronous satellites, geostationary satellites are useful. So television है, telephone है, वो सब के अंदर this is used. Okay, for the meteorology, that is the study of the weather and all, also it is used. Hmm? So did you follow the use of this satellite?